Hey there, snack enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of on-the-go nutrition and sharing some delicious and nutritious snack ideas that you can enjoy anytime, anywhere. Whether you're rushing to work, hitting the gym, or running errands, these healthy snacks will keep you fueled and satisfied throughout the day. So let's jump right in and learn how to make them. First up, we have our homemade trail mix. This classic snack is packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep you energized on the go. Simply combine your favorite nuts like almonds, walnuts, and cashews with dried fruits like raisins, cranberries, and apricots. Add a sprinkle of pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds for an extra crunch. Mix it all together and you have a portable snack that's perfect for munching on during busy days. Divide your trail mix into individual portions and store them in small, resealable bags or containers. Throw them in your purse, gym bag, or car glove compartment so you always have a healthy snack within reach. Next on our list is veggie sticks with hummus. This refreshing snack is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and fiber to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Slice up your favorite crunchy veggies like carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers into sticks or slices. Pair them with a generous serving of creamy hummus for a satisfying snack that's packed with flavor and nutrition. Portion out individual servings of hummus into small containers or reusable silicone bags. Pair each container with a handful of veggie sticks for a convenient and nutritious snack that's perfect for dipping on the go. Now let's whip up some no-bake energy balls. These bite-sized treats are packed with protein, fiber, and natural sweetness to curb your cravings and boost your energy levels. In a mixing bowl, combine rolled oats, your favorite nut or seed butter, honey or maple syrup, and your choice of mix-ins like shredded coconut, chocolate chips, or dried fruit. Mix until well combined, then roll the mixture into small balls. Place the energy balls on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to set. Once chilled, transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the fridge for an easy grab-and-go snack. Last but not least, we have DIY smoothie pouches. These frozen delights are perfect for a quick and nutritious snack or meal replacement when you're on the move. In a blender, combine your favorite fruits like berries, bananas, and mangoes, with leafy greens like spinach or kale, and a liquid base such as almond milk or coconut water. Blend until smooth and pour the mixture into reusable silicone pouches. Seal the pouches tightly and place them in the freezer overnight. In the morning, grab a pouch on your way out the door, and by the time you're ready for a snack, it'll be perfectly thawed and ready to enjoy. And there you have it, 4 delicious and nutritious snack ideas for on-the-go nutrition. Whether you're craving something sweet, savory, or satisfyingly crunchy, these snacks have got you covered. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tasty recipes and healthy snack ideas. Until next time, happy snacking!